friends. Today is day 29 of my 90-day challenge. And if you've been following along with me, then you know I've been going through some challenges. I haven't exactly told you what, but you know what? We're all always going through something. And I had a conversation similar to that with my boss, and I was giving excuses about why my work was slacking. And I was like, it's one thing after another. And as I was saying it to him, I realized that that's just an excuse. There's always something, that doesn't go right. There's always something that doesn't go the way you planned or anticipated. And like the quote that I put there, giving up on your goals is like slashing your other tires because you got a flat. And so when things don't quite go according to plan, I think it's a cop out. I think it's lazy and I think it's selfish to give up because, like I say, you don't want to slash your other tires, right? You focus on what you can do. Like, for instance, I live in a teeny tiny house downtown. It's beautiful and perfect for me, but it's a little over 700 square feet. And it's really super easy to keep clean, but I always have the excuse of I've got too much, I've got so much to do and I can't do this, that, and the other. And the past couple of days, I've been a little overwhelmed. And so I started cleaning the house because I thought, well, I can do the dishes. I can make the bed, I could take a shower, I could use deodorant. What can I do as opposed to these little hiccups here and there, that come along and make you just want to say, forget about it. And again, I always go to that same fallback thing. I just want to sit down and watch Netflix, but you got to keep doing what you can do so that you're ready to do what you have to do. Like I say, cleaning the house was just a small part in what's going on. I had some people coming over. I have a birthday party coming up, and so I got to clean the house, and I can do that. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to have the party or not, but the house needs to be clean anyway, right? So anyway, that's the point today, is do what you can do. Don't throw your hands up in the air because of one setback. Because if you do what you can do now, then when it comes to doing what you have to do, then you're more prepared for it, right? I love you guys. Stay awesome.